The Museum of the Future. Dubai, UAE. The Museum of the Future will be a place of tolerance, inviting varied cultural, philosophical, social and spiritual outlooks. It will also be a place of learning, where you join us in exploring the challenges and opportunities shaping our times, and finding solutions for a better future. The museum hosts 7 floors of exhibition space. The museum will be located in the Emirates Towers area near Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. In Dubai, where tower blocks seem to pop up almost overnight, residents have grown adept at averting their eyes from building sites. But one construction project has caught everyone's attention: the Museum of the Future, which has loomed up over the city's elevated, driverless metro system on the edge of the financial district. As well as providing a permanent home for the many innovations, the Museum of the Future claims to work to stimulate and incubate solutions to the challenges of future cities. It will bring together researchers, designers, inventors and financiers under one roof. The museum will host a group of innovation labs focusing on health, education, smart cities, energy and transport, in addition to a permanent section on future innovations in all fields. It will provide a platform to demonstrate and test the latest inventions from world's leading tech giants and startups, as well as collaborations between companies and leading research institutes and universities. The museum also plans to hold scientific conferences and offer courses and workshops on design and innovation covering the latest scientific developments, trends and designs as well as their practical applications. Showcasing a new era. Welcome to a showcase for a new era, a center of creativity and hope where you can see, touch and shape our shared future. The Museum of the Future combines elements of exhibition, immersive theater and themed attraction, inviting you to look beyond the present to the possible. A place to explore, learn and create. The Museum of the Future will be a place of tolerance, inviting varied cultural, philosophical, social and spiritual outlooks. It will also be a place of learning, where you join us in exploring the threats and opportunities shaping our times, and finding solutions for a better future. A dynamic mix of experiences for everyone. 4 floors of expansive exhibitions will focus on the possible futures of outer space resource development, ecosystems and bioengineering, and health, wellness, and spirituality. Another floor will be dedicated to showcasing near-future technologies which will transform our world by addressing challenges in areas such as health, water, food, transportation, and energy. The final floor will give children with their own world to explore, and challenges to complete, on their way to becoming future heroes.